Hi guys! I just wanted to pop on in and give you a few reminders. Ignore my dog. He's crazy. He heard me talking, so he was like, oh my gosh, someone's at home. Anyways, so today is the last day that the course is open for submissions, okay? Closes at 10 p.m. I've been saying this for a few weeks now, so get that work in. I'll be logging off today, probably right around 4, because I'm going to go see my cousin play in her state softball tournament, so that's pretty exciting. I won't be on again till this weekend. I don't know when, but it will be this weekend because I have a lot to grade. There are no exceptions to this rule, okay? I had a ton of kids show up last night, a ton. If you were there, you know it was busy, okay? To turn in over 220, that's right, over 220 late assignments. So thank you for stressing me out to the max. I'm pretty toast at this point, but I'm going to keep going. They and others like them really took all that time throughout their year and last night to get out of their busy schedules and get up to see me with that late work, which is why I'm fair and equitable to all my students with these policies. Please don't send me a message tonight begging me to reopen something. It's not going to happen, okay? So please just be fair. It is fair. I gave you plenty of opportunities throughout the year to come and see me. So if you didn't make it, you didn't make it. That's just the way it's going to have to go right now. You're going to be with the grade that you're at, okay? Finally, please be patient. I had over 300 assignments starting off today. I'm down to about 165 right now, and as I'm sitting here, my iPad will light up and tell me I'm getting late assignments, okay? So I mean I'm doing okay, but there's a lot of stuff going on. So I know you guys are gearing up to turn in your stuff tonight for your last due date. So I'm just a regular human, please remember, and I'm not a grading machine, so be patient as I complete these things, okay? I also wanted to say thank you so much for a great semester. I enjoy getting to know you in class, and for those of you that I got to see out of class, getting to know you out of class as well. I loved seeing you grow in your subject matter, and I just think I couldn't have been more blessed to have been your teacher this semester, okay? And then finally, please remember, I know I keep saying finally, I think, but please remember that next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, the 7th, 8th, and 9th, you have finals. You can come anytime during the window from 3 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Please remember, if you have a 2-hour-long final, you don't want to come after 5. Just throwing that out there. Please make sure that you are bringing a fully charged iPad or device with you and your ID to the Barry Goldwater High School campus, where you will take your final in the cafeteria. All right? I can't wait to see you guys there. I'll be the one handing out pins because that's what I like to do. And I just hope that you enjoy your weekend, hopefully free entirely of turning in work for this class. Get excited. Thanks, guys. There's a late assignment.